Hey, coach.
Yes.
I am not an option trader. I strictly long and short, and I just paid attention to your strategies, your EWO
Yep.
and VWAP. And, for instance, I've been trading Netflix and NVIDIA today and AMD and just trading inside the channels. And I've made myself $5,340 today and just trading in the channels and just paying attention, just being patient.
And with shares, right?
Strictly shares. I don't do options.
There you go. Did you guys hear that?
Yeah.
$5,300 just shares today, trading the channels using our strategies.
And
We need
since
to
I,
strat- Yeah.
since I've been with you, I think I've been with you since November. Since November, I think I've made around $60,000.
60,000?
Yes.
That's awesome. Now,
Great
Ron,
job.
how many years experience have you had before you got here?
I was trading for a couple of years off and on, not very successful at all.
That was going to be my next question is, were you that kind of successful back then?
No, I was very unsuccessful.
Right. So you've been with me for 3 months. You've made $60,000. Before us, you were here. You traded for years and you never did that.
Before that, I've probably lost about 200,000.
There you go. Did you guys hear that? Sign up
Coach,
today.
So
Yeah.
expand that math to a year. $20,000 a month for a year. Where are we at?
Right.
and I do have to say, I build homes. So for me to buy a piece of property, build that home, carry that home, it takes me 9 months to a year to make, anywhere from $80,000 to $100,000. So that's 2 homes I have to build now, and I got a lot of work to do. That was me.
Great job, man. Great
Thank you.
job. Think about it. You made $60,000 in the last couple months. That's a lot less work you got to be worrying about, right?
Yes, and with your strategy and me being a lot more patient and not being as aggressive. If I was a lot more aggressive, I would have made a lot more. But listening to you and being comfortable in your trades has helped me tremendously. Yes, I probably could have made 3 or 4 times that amount, but I would have been afraid of my trades.
Right. Which would have made you trade differently.
Exactly. This
Yeah.
way, I'm not afraid. Today I had a really good day just trading in the channels, and I'm very happy with the day. I don't even have to trade for the rest of the month. Honestly, it's just